Hello students, quick video here from Dr. K, just talking about one of our favorite calculator tricks. This is the 9-peat trick, where we take a single digit 1 to 9 and we get it to repeat 9 times. Very fun calculator trick. We usually do it with the iPhone calculator, or we can do it with a regular calculator like this. So the trick goes as follows. You approach somebody and you tell them to tell you their favorite digit. So they pick a digit from 1 to 9, single digit, and they'll say, let's say for the sake of examples, they say 7. So you tell them to enter 7. Let's turn on the calculator first. I guess I need to do that. So you enter 7, you see 7 there. You tell them to multiply it by 9, whatever digit they pick, you multiply it by 9, you get an answer. You notice there's no surprise there. 7 times 9, 63. Of course, we got that. Then you tell them to multiply the answer, the product, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You skip 8. You always tell them to skip 8. And then you ask them what do they expect the answer will be. You start a conversation. When they are ready, they press enter. Remember, their initial digit was 7. To their pleasant surprise, it comes up all 7s, 9 7s. Let's do that one more time with another digit. Remember how to do it? Right, let's reset. Oh my goodness. Let's reset. My fingers are ugly. Oh my goodness, but that's okay. That's another topic for another day. So let's start. Let's say the digit that they picked was 5. 5. You multiply by 9, right? No surprise there. You multiply what you got, the product, the answer, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We skip 8 and we go to 9. There's a reason why we do that. I'll show why that is. We press enter. What do we expect? Did you guess all 5s? 9 5s? The answer is correct. Students always tell me, oh my goodness, Dr. K, but what if my number was 8? Do I still skip 8? Let's try it. It's an experiment. Math is a science in some way. You run experiments. Okay, let's start. If our number was 8, remember we multiply it by 9. The answer, no surprise, 72. Do we skip 8? Let's try it. Yes, we should. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 8, multiply, and we should get 8 9s. It always repeats. Now, why this trick works? Very, very simple. If you even sit down and think about it, you'll see why this works. All it has to do, I'll just give you a hint. It has to do with the order of multiplication. When you multiply 3 numbers, the order doesn't matter. But by manipulating the order of multiplication, I can make it sound like I'm doing something very, very, very magical. So that's a really cool trick. And if you want to, another hint, I'm gonna count to 5. This is a spoiler alert. Count to 5 and then give a little bit more of why the trick works. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, here it is. The digit 9, if you multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, skip 8 and go 9. You see that? And you could do it by hand. I let students do this by hand. Let them carry over and do the multiplication by hand. You will get, have you guessed it? 1 repeated 9 times. So that number multiplied by their original digit will repeat that digit 9 times. But I don't do that in that order. I disguise it. I don't just tell them what's your favorite digit, multiply it by 9 1s, your digit repeats 9 times. It's too easy, too obvious. So we play the trick on the students. We play the trick on people by, first we tell them multiply by 9. We get, whatever the digit multiplied by 9. Then multiply the answer by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 8, 9, and that repeats. We'll do the trick one more time before I say goodbye. I don't want the video to be too long. One more time. Let's say our favorite digit was 2. Remember that? 2, we multiply it by 9. 2 times 9, no surprise, it's 18. Then we multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We skip 8, 9. And remember, our initial digit was 2. So this should be 2 repeated 9 times. I also let students read that number. So what would that number be? 222 billion, 200, what is that? What number is that? I'll pretend I don't know. Billion, million, zillion, trillion? I let students do the trick. I just play dumb, which is not very hard to do. Okay, bye.